No. So again, solution and differential equation, the solution no describes the behavior or describes your differential equation, di ba? So the solution satisfies your differential equation. Okay? So when it comes to family of curves, the solution of the curves, okay, or the differential equation of the curves tells the behavior of your curve or your solution. No? So long story short, si family of curves siya nga ay worded problem about curves. The family of curves. Ano ba yung mga curves? What are the curves? So we're just solving worded problems about lights, lights, circles, parabola, hyperbola. No? So yan lang yung mga ano, yan lang yung mga curves na pag-uusapan natin. So kung ano yung nandiyan. Okay? And the this in this topic is just worded problem. Okay? Let's try. Okay na. So, solve na tayo. No? Try na natin mag-solve. No? So, this is a worded problem. So, expect. Let's try this one. No? Try natin.
Asan ka ba, Sir Amboy? Hi, Sir Jason. Bye, Sir Jason.
Bye. Wala po. Pagkalat po, okay lang po. Kalatan nyo na po yan. Kahit makalat na po talaga ang table niya. Talagang inaano ko no. Upo lang kayo, sir. Okay, so let's try to solve for that example. No? So, kopyahin muna natin. Tagal ng bukas. Okay, so for example, our example number one. Number one. Okay, so find the differential equation representing all circles with the center at the x-axis. Na. So, anong pinapahanap? Differential equation. Na. So, in our previous lesson, how do we get differential equation? In our previous equation, how do we get the differential equation? No? Anyone, if you know. How do we get the differential equation? Nasa lang next kanya. Arrow O1. CE, graduate O2, Bio E, or CE O3, ako 0. Okay, next card na kayo. Okay, ano yan, Miss Bernaline Umani? How do you get your differential equation?
I-differential po ng general solution.
Okay, good. Thank you. Take note ko lang ang pangalan. Miss Umani. Okay, anyway, sige. Note ko na lang muna sa note. Previous lesson, elimination of arbitrary constant. Digo? Because sa elimination of arbitrary constant, in order to get your differential equation, we need a solution first, then differentiate or eliminate the arbitrary constant in order to get your differential equation. No, so we need a solution. Okay, but what a solution are we talking about? Your curve that we're talking about is circle. No, circles. No, ayan, halagay naman yan, circles. No. Let's draw first, diagram. No. Let's make a diagram first. No. When making a diagram, make sure that at least it's semi-accurate. No. Meron tayong y-axis. Meron tayong x-axis. ICL po, sir. Sir, ICL. Kasi nung binalik ni Sir Abro, kinuha niya pati yung nandun sa TV. Okay, so y-axis and x-axis. Your left is your negative x-axis. Your bottom is your negative y-axis. No? Okay, so read the problem. Natin yung circle dito. X-axis yung the circle. Tama din na ganito. No, it's still on the x-axis. This is still also on the x-axis. This is still also on the x-axis, and this is still also on the x-axis. No, if you're gonna draw your curve, at least 4. No, at least 4. Draw 4 curve on the diagram. Okay? And do it in a right manner. No, wag po babastahin. Kasi meron po akong na estudyante, eh di meron po tayong senior na or let's say ay bilog. Ganyan. Semi-accurately. Okay? Next. Na. So, we know that it's a circle. No. Usually, what is the formula for the circle? No. Formula for... No. So, Bernardo. Formula for or solution for the circle. The general solution for the circle. What is it? Sasalita ka na ba? Okay, sige, try. Nagsalita na ba si Bernard? Ay, wala pong mic. Sige, chat mo na lang.
Hindi na lang, letter na lang muna, tapos pa-approve dito, tapos ma-email sa... Requested nila,
Okay, so actually nasa good. Well, it is in the front of the module. No, so it is in your Google Classroom already. You can just check your module. Okay, so this is what you call general solution. Okay, in your general solution, how many is your at hindi na lang muna pala. So punta muna tayo sa problem. Let's go to the problem first. We're gonna completely analyze the problem now. So we already know that we need to find the differential equation. We're going to talk about the circle. Then what we call initial condition. Okay. Initial condition. No, so initial condition, the condition that is said initially in your problem. No, so the center on the x-axis. Okay? So we have your h, your k, your r. No. Okay. What do we say about the h? Let's go with r first. No. So looking at our diagram, looking our initial condition, no. Sorry, looking at our diagram, looking at our problem, what is the initial condition for the radius for the R? Ano po kaya, how will you describe your R? Okay? Anyone? Anyone? Nahanap ko pa rin yung index value.
Dalawa lang. Tapos i-overlap. Nagset sa kasama.
What could be the condition for R? Or let's just say, what is R? Yun, ito na. Hindi pala, bayay pala ko. What is R in the equation now? Let me just extend another question. What is the value of R? Ano yung value ng R? Ano yan, Jeremy? Na parang nakatawa.
It is the size of the circle and...
Nasalita ka ba?
Ay. No po, sir. Sorry po.
Anong value ng R?
It is the size of the circle and the distance from the center.
Sorry. Sorry ha, di ko...
Low po, sir.
Okay, ulit.
It is the size of the circle and distance from the center.
Define yun. Define mo. Pero ano yung value ng R? Jezreel Faith? Baring po ang R po. No? Baring. Hindi natin alam po anong value ng R. Kasi judging from the diagram, it can be small, it can be large. No? So the value of the R is arbitrary. So R is arbitrary. So the condition for R is arbitrary. Okay? With that, what is H and K? Hindi ko lang kung saan nilagay ang index card niyo. Nakikita ko yung mamaya. Hindi ako naghahanap. For H and K, what are the initial conditions for H and K? Or another question is, ano yung value ng H and K? Azog. Azoge? Azoge? Azog?
Yes po, sir. Azoge po.
Azoge.
Ang value po ng X, yung H po is, nagva-vary din po siya since anywhere po sa X-axis. Then, yung value po ng K is 0 po. Para po, nasa X-axis lang po yung ano niya, position.
Ay, good. So, tama naman. Yun. Aalamin nyo lang kung anong value depende on the diagram. So, in the diagram, your circle is always on the x-axis. Meaning, yung K mo is always 0, yung H mo is still it varies kasi pwede siyang nasa kaliwa, pwede siyang nasa kanan. So, it's still varying, no? So, nakita ko na, index card nyo. Okay, found it. Okay, anyways. Tanda ko pa mga pangalan, no? So, H is arbitrary. K is 0. Na. So, with that, we substitute the initial condition on our general solution. So, x minus h plus y minus k, or 0, square is equal to r square. Now, so this is now what you call working solution. In your working solution, there are two arbitrary constants. With that, using the lesson from your previous lesson, elimination of arbitrary constant, we differentiate how many times? Differentiate natin ng ilang beses. No? Miss Pulhin, Michelle, and May. Pulhin ba to? Pulhin?
Po, sorry po, hindi ko po napakinggan.
We differentiate how many times our working solution? How many times natin i-differentiate?
2 times po.
So, 2 times, no? So, may kakilala kang may kakilala kang English major?
Wala po.
Wala. Anong level mo na sa heyday?
Ano po?
Anong level mo na sa heyday?
44 po.
Okay. Sige. Wala lang. 44, so I guess wala ka pang nandun ka pa sa siguro 44, kaka-open mo lang siguro ng tawag dito, ng lobsters, no? Kaka-open mo lang ng lobsters. Or hindi mo pa na-open yung lobster doon sa may fishing area.
Na-open na po.
Na-open na? Oh, yaman. No. Daming gold. So anyways, focus tayo. So 2 times, we differentiate 2 times. There are 2 constants. Differentiate now. So for me, so pwede nyo differentiate na agad, pero ako, gusto ko muna expand. I would like to expand it first. 2xh plus h square, no, plus y square is equal to r square. Differentiate 2 times. 2x. I'm gonna differentiate it implicitly. No, so 2x minus 2h plus 0 plus y prime 2. So I differentiate it with the y as with respect to x or already in the y prime function, no? So hindi na dy dx ang ginamit ko, naka y prime na or naka dy over dx na. So is equal to 0. No, divide both sides by 2. X minus h plus y prime. But because that is only first differentiation, we're gonna differentiate it one more time. No, another one. No, so magiging what? Plus y double prime. Sorry. Y prime squared plus y double prime is equal to 0. No. Okay, so when you differentiate x, so that becomes 1. When you differentiate negative h, that becomes 0. When you differentiate y and y prime, product rule. No, so y dy prime plus the derivative of y prime plus y prime, the derivative of y. So that becomes y prime or y prime squared. The other one is y prime double prime. Na. Right? Okay, so anyways, that's your product rule. Okay, so that should be kahit pikit, kaya nyo na. Hindi naman. Or at the very least, you should be able to do your product rule. You should be able to do your product rule. No? Okay. Is that the final answer? Let's try to write it in linear form. So when you say linear form, you write it in descending order. No, so y double prime plus y prime squared plus 1 is equal to 0. Descending order. Now, well, you cannot write it in mdx and dy form because it's not first order. Okay, so this is now your linear form, simplified answer, differential equation of your all circles at the center of the x-axis. Now, so maybe did we do something new? Probably we solved worded problem. So the equation is not gonna be given to us. you have to analyze the problem first. Okay, so that's the difference for this topic. No, so you have to analyze the problem first before getting your solution and getting your differential equation. Na, tama ba ang sagot ni Sir?
Oo.
Circle? Yan. No? Yeah. X minus h square plus y square, y double prime, y prime square plus 1. No, so yan yung sagot. Na. That's the answer. Na. Okay. Try natin sa ano, no? Try natin sa ring wheel. Okay, so yan. Okay, so from 1 to sinong ano? Ay, for example, nandiyan ba si ano? Nandiyan ba si from 1 to 11, ano gusto natin i-solve? Louie, Eliza. Louie, Eliza. Tama ba? Am I reading it correctly? Okay, so Louie, give me a number. 1 to 11. Sorry, nag-e ko. 7, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so 7. No? Circles with center at the origin. No? Tignan natin pa. Dali. Circles ulit. Sige lang. Well, you have many examples on your module, so I don't think you will...
Pwede ba? Paul Judge ka na eh.
Okay, so circles with center on the x-axis na. So let's try to draw our diagram. So ito yon, no? Ito yon, no? So ganyan lang naman kasi center on the... Ay, hindi pala, 7. Center at the origin, no? Center at the origin. I think tama naman yung aking pinicture. Sana yata ako nalagay. Yeah. No. So center at the origin. Ano yan? Hindi mo kailangan ng extra. So, yan. I guess in order to have another problem, I'm just gonna do it now. Just for review. No? So, draw the diagram. No, at least 4. So, gawa tayo na isa pa. At least 4 circles. No? At least 4 of the curve. Examples of the curve. Draw the general solution. No? Okay, determine, check all the variables, no? Then determine each condition, no? H, K, and R. I think this is much easier because kung center at the origin, di 0, 0, C, H, and K. Okay, 0, 0, C, H, and K. R is arbitrary. No, so you differentiate it once. No, so x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. No, differentiate it. 2x dx plus 2y dy is equal to 0. No, divide both sides by 2. X dx plus y dy is equal to 0. That is now your differential equation in mdx plus ndy form. Or if you want it in linear form, edi divide both sides by dx para maging x plus y prime is equal to 0, y prime is equal to negative x. This is now your linear form. Okay, when you say simplified answer, you take out the common multiple, which is they are both divided by 2, so we divide it by 2. Question is there correct? No. Ayun no, x dx plus y dy. No, x dx plus y dy. Okay, so let's try. So I times 11. Let's try number 3. Try natin si number 3. Let's do number 3. I hope number 3 is so let's try number 3. Straight lines with slope and y-intercept equal. No? So straight lines with slope and y-intercept as equal. So let's try to solve that. Actually, straight line could be harder than circle because when you say straight line, so let's just draw it. Now, when you say y-intercept, so that's B, right? And when you say slope, so that's M, right? So when you try to draw that, when it's 0, your line is this one, when it's 0. Now, when it's y-intercept is 1, your slope is 1. Now, when your y-intercept is 2, so its slope must probably is higher. No? Then when your y-intercept is 3, it should be like this. No? Okay, so we're gonna be using y is equal to mx plus p. Our initial condition for our constant, which is m and b. Okay? So can you give me the initial condition for m and b? Magmanlak. Kendrick. Magmanlak Kendrick.
Sir, excuse po, ano po ulit ang tanong?
What will be the initial condition for our slope and y-intercept? What will be the initial condition? Any guess? Any idea? I would rather have a wrong answer than a student who did not answer. Ayaw ko din na matagal kasi baka...
Sir, I think nagbabari din po sila.
Nagbabari din. Okay. Another one. Camacho, Crisa, May. What could be the initial condition? You are right. Nagbabari. Nababago siya. No? 4 na diagram nakagawa tayo. So, nagbabago sila. But another thing. No? Camacho, Crisa, May.
Ganun din po yung sagot ko po. Nagbabari po siya.
Nagbabari din siya. Juliet. Calris? Julie Star. Tama ba, Calris?
Calories po, sir.
Okay, very very cute, very cute. Ano po ang ano?
Ganun din po, arbitrary po ang M at B.
Yun lang? Wala kayong nakikita iba? Pati, sige, Nicole.
Hello po, may mic na po.
Yes, we can hear you.
Arbitrary po ba?
Yes, tama naman. Pero, ano pa? Ano pa yung nakikita niyo? Sige. Rensmar, Ramos. What else could you say? Last one. Last one bago ko sabihin ang tamang sagot. Okay? Ano yung Rensmar?
Hindi po sa iba, sir.
Ano po?
Hindi po sa iba, sir.
Ganun din sa iba. Ayaw mo mag-try ng iba? O sige nga, last na. Last ka ni Bernalyn.
Sir, ano po ba sila? Like, parameters po kasi they change the behavior of the light.
Sino yung isa nagtaas? Ashley.
Good afternoon po. Sir, zero po ba? Since ang slope po y-intercept equal, so magiging
Okay, so sasabihin ko na ha. Ayun. Okay, they are arbitrary, but M and B are equal. Na, they are both, tama naman, pero in this case, they are both arbitrary. Okay? The slope and the y-intercept are equal. No, so usually the initial condition will be in the question. No, so babasahin na lang lagi. No, so yun, tama naman yung iba, arbitrary nga siya, but then again there's another condition which is they are equal. Okay, so kasi po when you forget or when you don't include the equal, in this case you have two arbitrary constant. So how many times you differentiate? 2 times. But when they are equal, how many times you differentiate? 1 time. Na. 1 time you differentiate na. So isa lang yung arbitrary mo kasi equal lang sila. So they are the same arbitrary constant. No? So 1 time. So you differentiate 1 time, dy over dx is equal, okay, so y prime is equal to m. No? So when you substitute, because we already differentiated, no? But there is still an arbitrary constant. There's still an m arbitrary constant. So once we substitute it in the equation, so that will become y is equal to y prime x plus y prime. Or in linear form, it will be, no, answer it in linear form. 0 is equal to 1 plus x, y prime minus y. Yan na yung linear form. Yan na yung linear form ng ating differential equation. Okay? How about m dx and n dy? So who can, I'm gonna give you guys 5 minutes. Try to transform the answer in m dx and m dy form. Naka dx plus m dy. Ipapakita nyo lang yung mga katabi ng dx, katabi ng dy. What's the answer in mdx and dy? I-chat nyo na lang. Chat nyo na lang. I'm gonna give you guys 5 minutes. Ano po? Ayun, sige. Miss Karil Cheska. Taas ka na
Negative
pala.
y dx plus quantity po of 1 plus dx dy equals 0 po.
Okay. So, ano naman, I will be very maluwag doon, no? I will give you guys some leeway, no? So, but just for correction, no? In this form, you make the dx positive. So, the correct answer should be y dx minus y plus 1 plus x, no? So, gagawin yung positive yung y. So, or yung dx, gawin yung positive, no? So, multiply both sides to dx or negative dx para maging positive y dx plus or minus 1 plus x dy. Now, then again, it can interchange. Actually, it can interchange. No? So, with that, gawin nyo na lang positive yung nasa una. No? So, 1 plus x dy minus y dx. No? So, dx dy for, no, in this case, dy yung nauna. So, when it comes to the final answer, as long as it's the same, mathematically it's the same, I'm good kung alin yung mauna. Kung siya positive or negative. Siyempre, kung yan ay, let's say, ay 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, tapos ang sagot mo ay 5x positive y plus 3, mali yan. Pero kung yan ay negative 5x plus y minus 3, parehas lang naman yan nung nasa una. So, I'm good with that. I'm good. So, it's the same. Okay. Okay, good. So, sana naman ay nag-gets yung sa equation, no? So, that is your family of curves. The challenge, no? So, from my last year, from the previous students, your senior, probably the challenge or tumitigil sila dun kung saan, let's say, walang sagot, hindi ano, tumitigil sila dun sa diagram pa lang. Pagkagawa ng diagram, hindi nila alam yung solution, hindi nila alam yung, they don't know the initial condition or they are not able to identify the initial condition from the diagram. So my advice is, well, solve, then determine in the question what is the initial condition, no? Or if it's hard to identify, read the problem and analyze the diagram. Okay, let's proceed with initial value problem. Initial value problem is ano na to? Auto na to, di ba? O2 na kayo, di ba? O2 o 1? May having
O1 po, sir.
O1. Wait na. Short-term memory loss. Nakalimutan ko na pa. No? Hawak ko nga pala yung index card. Hinanap ko nga yung index card nyo. No? So, signs of aging. So, initial value problems. So, initial value problems, instead of worded problem, the problem will give you an initial value. So, initial value problem. Yeah. So, we're often interested in problems which we seek a solution. So, normally, we have a differential equation, we're gonna get the solution. Okay? But for initial value problems, the problem will probably gives you a certain condition. Di ba? May initial condition pa rin, no? A certain condition, and this condition are imposed on the values of the derivative, usually. So, what happens? When you get your solution, you determine the particular solution. Kasi meron ka ng initial condition. No? So, long story short, when you have initial value problems or you have an initial condition, you get, instead of getting general solution, you get the particular solution. Okay? Yun lang. That's the difference between other topic. No? Yun lang. Okay, so let's try. For example, let's try example number, tatlo lang, apat lang. Let's try the last problem. Let's try this. Let's try 3 and 4. No, so let's do 4 first. No. Okay, so let's try 4 first. So each of the functions y equals 0, y equals 0, y is equal to 1 over 16 x to the fourth satisfies the differential equation y. Seems familiar. Ito yung isa nating problem last time. Yung solution, no? Subject to the initial condition, we have the, so this is, sorry po. Okay, so this is what you call, nakalagay din naman dyan. It is each of the functions satisfies the differential equation. So sila ay solution. These are solutions. Next, this is your differential equation. The initial condition is y of 0 is equal to 0. No? Or the function of y, which is dependent on x. No, ang x mo daw ay 0, ang y mo daw ay 0. And so the initial value problems is, ayun na. Binasa na natin. We just read the problem. Right? Okay. Initial value problem, no? So, ano ba yung initial value? Ito na lang gagamitin ko. Meron tayong differential equation. I'm gonna try the y prime. xy. Ay, hindi. Ano na lang pala? Ito na lang pala solution natin. Y is equal to 1 over 16 x to the fourth. No? Pag sinubstitute natin dyan, hindi magsisiro lang. So, y is equal to 0, magsisiro lang din. No? So, this is what you call particular solutions already. Particular solution kasi wala siyang constant. So, in order to get in order to use our initial condition, we need general solution. So I'm gonna be using y prime. Ito yung y prime ang gagamitin ko. Integrate natin. No? So dy over dx is equal to xy 1/2. No? Dy over y 1/2. Deja vu, I think na ano ko na to. Na-integrate na natin to. So magiging y 1/2 divided by 1/2 is equal to x squared over 2 plus c. X squared over 2 plus c. So multiply both sides by 1/2. 1/2. So para maging y 1/2 is equal to x squared over 4 plus c over 2. So let c over 2 is equal to c. Kasi constant naman siya. So hindi naman it is not c that is hindi naman natin hinahanap ang c. So we do not need to find the value of c. We do not need to give the value of c because it is not required or it's not asked by the problem. So usually we can do let c over 2 is equal to c. Okay, so y 1/2. Actually, ito na yun. Parang yun na yung solution. No? Square both sides. Square both sides. Actually, pwede na to. Gamitin na lang natin to. Ayoko nang gumawa ng ng iba pang steps. No? Pwede na to. So, this is your general solution already. Now, this is your general solution already. And you can already just substitute y0 is equal to x0 plus c over 2. So in this case, c is 0. Now, if c is 0, y 1/2 is equal to x squared over 4. Ito yung ating particular solution, no? Which is 4y 1/2 is equal to x squared. Pwedeng maging, pwede natin itong isulat as y is equal to x to the 4th over 16. No? Kasi, pwede mong square both sides. So, y 1/2 is equal to x squared over 4. Square both sides para maging y is equal to x to the 4th over 16, which is parehas lang din ito. No? So, I guess ito na yung ating sagot. This is the answer. This is the answer. No? Sir, bakit po y equals 0 din? No, y equals 0 kasi it satisfies your... I guess this is a bad example. Parang hindi natin nakita yung process. No? So, y sub 0 is equal to 0. So, when your x is 0, it is your y is also 0. So, at y0, the function is still true. Now, the function is still true. Now, so in this case, how many both solution is your particular solutions, no? So this is your particular solution, no? Both solution. Binigay na sa problem. Pero kung halimbawa hindi binigay sa problem yung solution, no, halimbawa ay hindi na binigay ito, no? So hindi binigay yung solution, edi integrate nyo pa rin yung differential equation. Okay, integrate nyo pa rin. Usually, that's the process. Integrate nyo pa rin. So, so what happened here is we just proved the point that they are solutions. They are the correct solutions for the differential equations. Tama ba sagot isa? Let's check whether our answer is correct or wrong. No? Oh. at has has at least two solutions illustrated from figure 4. The gas both passes through the point 0, 0. Solution of y prime subject to the initial condition y 0, 0. Yeah. Sinabi sa problem na. Yan na yung solution. So, I guess that's that. It's not a good example. Actually, it's not a good example kasi hindi nakita natin yung process. It's a good question, but it's not a good example. Let's do the number 3. Just another one. We still have 2 minutes. I don't think we can do it. No? Sige, 2 minutes. Kaya yan, sir. Kaya yan, 2 minutes. Let's try to do it. Na? 2 minutes pa lang, pag-paste pa lang nung ano. Ayan. Okay, so let's say we have this second order. Now, this is what you call a rate. Now, so x dot dot means dx, second derivative of x with respect to t squared. Now, so that's the second order with respect to time. So x dot dot plus 16x plus is equal to 0 is your differential equation. Your x pi over 2 is equal to negative 2. Your x dot pi over 2 is equal to 1. Meaning your time is pi over 2. Hindi kaya. No? So your time is equal to pi over 2. No? Then your x is equal to negative 2. But your x or your x dot here is equal to 1. No? Okay, so 1 minute. Your x, C1 cosine 40 plus C2 sine 40. Now, differentiate natin 2 times. X dot is equal to 4 negative C1 sine 40. Now, plus C2, 4 cosine 40. Now, differentiate natin another time. No? So, negative 16 C1 cosine 40 plus 16 negative C2 sine 40. Now, then we simply substitute on the first order and the zero order or the general solution. Ito ay general solution, x lang to, nasa taas. Ito naman x dot. No? So for x, substitute lang natin yung t at saka yung negative 2. So dito, pag sinubstitute natin, so magiging negative 2 yung x. Negative 2 yung x is equal to C1 cosine 4 pi over 2 plus C2 sine 4 pi over 2. So, pi over 2 times 4 is 2 pi. 2 pi is 360 degrees. Cosine 360 degrees is positive 1. So, C1, 1 plus C2, 0. So, C1 is equal to negative 2. Now, gawin uli natin sa x dot naman. So, x dot naman ay 1 at saka pi over 2. So, x dot is 1 is equal to negative 4. C1 sine 4 pi over 2 plus 4 C2 cosine 4 times pi over 2. So pi over 2 times 4 is 2 pi and 2 pi is cosine 2 pi is positive 1. No. Positive 1 and sine 2 pi is 0 or 360. So 1 is equal to 4 C2. C2 is equal to 1/4. No? Positive 1. Oh, so, alam na natin ang value ng C2 at C1. Substitute na lang natin. So, the equation will become x is equal to C1 negative 2 cosine 40 plus 1/4 sine 40. Now, so, ito na ngayon yung ating particular solution. Yan na yung ating answer. So, 3 minutes. Tama ba sagot ni Sir? Check na lang natin sa ating ayan, negative cosine 40 at saka 1/4 sine 40. So, nasa, kung mamabilisin, kaya naman i-differentiate yan within 3 minutes na. Differentiate within 3 minutes. Kung mamabilis, kaso pwede kang magkamali, pwede kang, kung yun. So, take your time pa rin, no? Sa exam. Sinubstitute lang din natin, no? Negative 2 and positive 1. Anyways, time is 2:02. Any question? Wala naman, no? So, again, ano bang pinagkaiba in summary, what's the difference that we did yesterday? We know that we have a general solution and differential equation. We integrate the differential equation, we differentiate that solution, we have an arbitrary constant. The difference for today is we're gonna be given a worded problem, family of curves, no, about the curves, and either we are given initial condition, and we're gonna substitute that on our solution to get the particular solution. So we have new type of problem, worded and particular solution or initial value problem. No. Ganun pa rin, mag-i-integrate, mag-substitute, mag-differentiate. Yun lang din. Same pa rin. Kaso, may initial value at may curves. No? May mga ganun. Nadagdagan. Okay. Since wala na question, may nag-thumbs down, di ba? So, wala na po question, sir. Okay na po. Try natin mag-solve, no? So, by next week, ay pwede nyo na, hindi pala, nagbigay naman ako sa inyo ng deadline. So, yun, yung sit work 1 and 2 and homework 1 and 2. No? So, hindi alam ko ang inyo ay hindi next week. No? So, if wala na question, class dismiss.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you rin.
Good morning, thank you po.
Thank you po, sir.
Okay, arigato gozaimasu.
Domo.